So, the stream is started. We have only 20 minutes. Please come in the channel. You can ask me any question. And let's use the 20 minutes for the exchange of information. I hope you can see something. I know I not announced this video because I have today a lot of work to do. So this is a spontaneous video live from my side. So I wait. Hey, hello. So I wait for your request. I'm here for you. Thank you. So if you have any requests, please do this now. I'm 20 minutes here. So now I'm not starting Discord. Yes, thank you. Nobody has nailed it like you. No, yes, I know too much information. That's my problem. I know the next target for Bitcoin. Yeah, if you look here to this area, we have here a very, very exclusive signal. Yeah, if I zoom in, maybe you can see this. So we have here a signal that gives us the information something big is coming. Yeah, and I know too much. Yeah, this is my problem. So from this place, a really big pump is coming. So for next week is a very interesting week for Bitcoin, and you can understand this structure, especially if you see a hammer like this. Yeah, I know this is look here. It looks like danger. Yeah, we have also the situation that the Bitcoin price can come to the downside. Yeah, you can see we have here our uptrend. Yeah, and the whales can manipulate the price out of range. That means you can see the price is red. They can do this, yeah, and then the price go to the another direction like this. Yeah, this can happen. We're going here to the downside and so on. This is a risk of, I would say, 10-20%. All signs at the moment, all signs looks that the price will pump very hard. Yeah, if I talking about very hard, I'm talking about this pump like this. Yeah, at 19,000 or 20,000, I set the price in the Bitcoin Club membership. These people had this information before I said the price will go to 30,000. Yeah, in the video yesterday I showed you this. Yeah, that I was right. Yeah, and here we have the similar situation. We are here at a point if we not drop below this orange line here. Yeah, if I think over the weekend until Tuesday we will go more in this direction, yeah, sideways movement and so on, yeah. And then I think after the Fed meeting, the price will pump very hard. So, Hoshi, thank you. Do you want Coty analyze? Let's look to Coty, okay? Let's look. I stop the time. So Coty is here. So I'm a little bit disappointed about Coty, about the performance, um, because the price is manipulated very much to the sideways. But I know this crypto is fire. Yeah, they only manipulate the price here to the sideways movement. But if you're asking me, if I look to this structure, this is an aggressive W pattern, and this will fly. So if you take the membership, both and target, yeah, you would get a kind of information like this, that the price will fly to $1. Yeah, but this is not how can I say? This is not the right time to pump to $1. We have to look first to this area. Yeah, so it can happen. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that the whales, uh, even if the Bitcoin price pump, that the price of Kotia and the low altcoins go here to the downside. So we have to look here very careful and look what happens here. Give me 2 minutes time, then I look here very careful. Let me look. Let me look to RSI. So yes, we have a good structure. Especially it looks like not good, but this is a good pattern here, and that give us the information. Okay, the really big pump is coming, so I would expect that the price of Coti will go here to 12 cent. We will build a structure like this, 14 cent, and after 14 cent the price will pump, especially if we stay above the line 12 cent. Yeah, it's a very good structure, so I think we will go like this and then we will pump. Yeah. So we're going here to the next. Let me look. What is the next? Let's take Filecoin. Filecoin is a crypto that is very hot. But I see here a lot of manipulation. Especially if I see that the price is coming back from $10. This is for me not. I cannot accept this. Yeah. The pump from $4 to $9.50, I predict very well. There, I was very right, yeah. So the price is coming now back. That's no problem because this was what you see here, especially this channel is all manipulated. So the whales, they will transform this manipulation to the opposite side. That means if they announce at Tuesday or Wednesday event, then the Filecoin price will explode to the upside. Yeah, let me look how far we can go. Yes, we can go here more than $11, but I think at $11 we have to stay a little bit to these levels. Yeah, but general I see here very good structure, so that the price can pump very hard. That what I not like is we have here some structures that are very negative. The price has the power to go here to the downside, but I see here typical manipulation of the price to the downside so that they can pump next week very hard to the upside. Not new, yeah, this is the formation. And for us, very good. We have here left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and give us the information a very big pump is coming. But I'm honest to you, the pump is coming, but the structure is negative. So I would not wondering me if the price is pumping to these levels and then a really sell-off is coming. Yeah, so not wondering. So we're looking here to the next. A lot of requests. Use the membership. So let me look what we have here. Okay, I not know this crypto. This is new for me. I hope I can find this. So it's a very exotic crypto. Let me look what we have here. Let's take this. Oh, this is a very relative new crypto. Let me look. Personally, I would avoid these cryptos. Maybe they have a potential, but you can see a lot of range to manipulate the price. This is a very we have no history. Yeah, so even if you believe the price is good, we have a range between 0.007 and 0.004. These are 50%. So I would avoid clear such cryptos if they have a story and if they're interesting. Okay, yeah. But from technical point of view, we can see only the range until May, June, because we have a good structure. We have an inverse, a left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and the price has power to 14.16 cents, and then it's finished. Yeah, so um, if I have $200,000 or 300,000, I would not invest here in this. Yeah, if you say okay, I want to invest here $100, it's okay for me. Yeah, but the structure is too new to analyze this. Let me look to this. So this is one of the gems. This is EGLD. The price is now at $43. And look, the price is coming from 400, 500, 600. Yeah. So if you see crypto like this, yeah, if the price is coming from 600, that means the price will go higher. So I want to give you here analyze. Normally I would give this in the Valve and price target membership so that you understand what information you would get in this membership Valve and target. Yeah. So I want to draw you this that you understand what I think about this. I see a clear structure. Normally I would not make this in a free channel, but I give you this here free that you understand. We have to pump to these levels. That means 200. Yeah. We have a special structure. I said before here, a few minutes ago, we have here a negative structure. That means before the really big pump to the upside is coming, the whales will sell this to the downside. Problem is we have here a low base. That means it is very near that the price, if the price is pumping to 200, that the price come back to 100 back. Yeah, many of the people will invest here and lose here. So because they have not the knowledge to understand why the price is coming, the base is low, and then from this point, the whales will pump to these levels. Yeah, so that we get here left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. This is too early to break out here at 500. Why? You can see we touched this only one time. So I think from these levels, the whales start again a manipulation to the downside so that we get a structure like this. This is a big hammer. Yeah, this is a big hammer. And after that, yeah, if you get this structure, then the really pump is coming. It depends how far the whales manipulate the price here to the downside. At this moment, we cannot see this because the structures look too early. Yeah. If you're reaching this level here, 500, then exactly these levels is you can predict this level. So, and from this, the price will fly. Let me look. The price will fly to levels of 2000 and 2800. The problem is the people, or if somebody look to the chart, uh, the person cannot realize how far we can go. The reason is if you look to the past, yeah. If I say to you here at, let me look what we have here, at $10 and $20, then if I predict to you the price will go to 600, you would not understand this and you would say, no, the wolf is crazy. Yeah. And you can see exactly nearly 600. Yeah. And it's the same info. The price will fly We have here our structure, and the price will fly here. Let me look in direction of 2000 and 2800. Yeah, it's a typical pattern here. It's a typical, very good left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and the price will fly. And the people not realize and not understand that these cryptos has here power to do 2800. So we're looking here to, let me look what's the next. I have not so much time. um, what crypto we can take here? Let's take AVAX, and what is this? Okay, let's take AVAX. So same structure. If people not buy this, it's not financial advice, but if they people not buy this, then they are really stupid, because this has so much power here in the chart. You can see this is wonderful. That what you see here is only a manipulation here. Yeah, the price will fly. Let me look. Similar structure like the cottage chart, that the whales manipulate this here, yeah, to the downside. This is our last retest. And if you want to understand this last segment here, yeah, the last segment, they maybe they manipulate, but the last segment is a part of non-manipulation. Yeah, that's the reason why we're going here to the upside. But in the end of the day, the price have to go here to the higher levels, and I think we will see a really big pump next week. Yeah, next week, that the price can reach here 28. At 28, the price will test this, and we have the condition for a breakout. That means if we can break the $30 levels, then I would say that the next target is 50 or 60. It's a very good crypto, and let's see. From the past, the cryptos go very quick. Yeah, don't how can I say, be confused that the price is staying at $17. From the past, you can see here, from the past, you can see the price was here $17, and the price is pumped really hard to $60. So not wondering, if you see a manipulation to the downside like this, the whales want that you not make money and not gains. Please keep this in your mind. Yeah, you have to work from 8 to 70. Yeah, and work like a pig. Yeah, and that's the wish from them, and that's the reason why they manipulate the price here. And be careful. The price has the similar structure what we see in the past. The price will pump to these levels. Yeah. So let me look to the next. Okay, we take here. I don't know if I can find this Aster. So let's look and take this. Also the same new crypto, maybe a hype, but I would avoid these new cryptos because they have, yes, they can pump or not. It's only a speculation. So I would avoid such new cryptos. Yeah, maybe they are good, but I would take cryptos that has history. So let's look what we have here as next. Should we take chilies? So um, chilies is the most manipulated chart. Yeah, you can see exactly this is the ending formation here, and you can see also with your eyes that we test so much here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that means it's no financial advice. Personally, the price will never go to 006 and 005. Yeah, if you are smart enough, yeah, then this is not financial advice. Yeah, if you are smart enough, then you would look to this price, and if the price is pumping to these levels, then long. Yeah, because the price will never go here these levels back. That means due to this manipulation, the price is pressed to lower levels. Yeah, you can see we have a triangle, and if the price break out from this triangle, the price will fly. And if we talking about flying, then we're talking at chilies here from this flying. Yeah, this is for me a flying. The price is 0.004 and go to $1. It's the same game what we saw here in the past. The price is pressed, yeah, manipulated to the downside. That means the price will break out this triangle, and then the price will go very quick to the upside because we have this structure here. It's a massive W pattern. That means the price will fly. You can see the money is on the street. You have to only open your eyes. Become a member, you get this information, the membership, and be smart. Yeah, so think about this. You lose maybe $50, $100, maybe $200, but you get the information. You can double your price. Yeah, that means you invest. If you invest 10,000, you can get with this information. You can look if you invest here 10,000. If you say okay 5 times higher, 10,000 is going to 50,000. Yeah, and you think about the membership about $200, $300. Think about this. It's a service for you. I not need this. Um, I'm thinking about the closing of my YouTube channel because I saw, okay, they are really good people. Also, they support, okay. But if I looked at the Moon Boys and people who have no clue have 50,000 views, and I'm asking me myself, I'm right every time and get no views. Maybe they manipulate and censor. I don't know. Yeah, but it's for me is too much work. Yeah, I can use the work or time for other things. So I think let's see. Yeah, use the membership so that we can win-win. So we make the next Dogecoin. I would make here 2 more. So same game. This is massive. What we see here at the dock is massive. Yeah, the dock will fly like a bird. Yeah, you can see in Twitter that the people uh, maybe make wings, yeah, to the dock, and the dock is flying. So that is coming. So you can start to building these pictures that you add a wing to the dock. Yeah, so the price will fly. You can see the condition is fulfilled for a breakout. Yeah, we have a W pattern. What I not like is that we have here negative structure. So I think from this point a negativity is coming. Yeah, it is not so much clear. They could pump the price to 18 cent, but I'm here a little bit negative that the price is coming back to these levels. Yeah, we need this structure, but after this here, yeah, if we see okay, the retest is happening, then the price will fly to these levels. Yeah. So here's, please look here very careful. I think they will pump the price to these levels, and the price have to come back. Yeah, so we need this, and then the price will fly. So let me look here to two more what we can take here. Let me look here to other. I'm honest to you, other is for me like gold. Yeah. Here 34 cents is a gift. Yeah, is for free. Yeah. So we see here that the price is manipulated very, very hard. Yeah. So if you look, the price is here 34 cents. This is nothing. Yeah. Um, Sorry, it's no financial advice, but if somebody don't buy other, then he is a stupid man or woman, because this is very crazy what we see here. Look, this is coming to the end. Yeah, you can see the price is going here to the downside every time the same, and from the downside we begin here sideways movement, and then the price is coming to higher levels. Yeah, this is the structure. So if we zoom in, yeah, then you can see that we have a structure that give us the information. Okay, the last retest is happening, especially if you look here to these levels. Yeah, you can see we have a good support from here, and that means we have a typical good pattern here, and the next test is going to 42 cent. Now, if you say, okay, 42 cent is too few. No, we have the condition for a breakout. That means the price will go to these levels here. So 60 cent. And at 60 cent, I think the whales, they will manipulate the price to the downside, because we have too few condition for a breakout. Maybe a small retest to these levels. Yeah, it's not clear at the moment. Retest to 52 cent or retest to lower levels to 40 cent. But if you are a long-term holder, this is not so much interesting for you, because after the retest here, the price will fly to levels of $1.20. Yeah, you have here the possibility to make money and gains to every time. Yeah, okay, if you are trading with margin, yeah, then if you go here with 60 cent and the price is going to 40 cent, it's a little bit difficult. But you can, if you get in at 60 or at 50, yeah, then you can set the price here to 28 cent, because the price will never come back to 28 cent. Yeah, it is, I would say, yeah, if it's a good strategy. Yeah, you have here the possibility to get in. You can wait here a little bit so that the price is coming back, get in, and then the price will fly. So let's look to the next two, and then I would finish. Let me look. What is the next? What is your wish? Let me look. Okay, let me look and take Hero. So the price, yeah, they manipulate the price here to the downside. So the price is coming from 25 cent. Let me look here more inside to understand this. So if the project is not dead, yeah, then we see here a clear structure. Let me look. We have here, this was the all-time high. Okay, the price will fly. The reason is we need only one information. This information is this. At November 2021, exactly here on this place, we had a all-time high at the Bitcoin price. We know from the Bitcoin price that the uptrend goes below or through this day, November 2021. So that means the price have to go to 50 cent. Yeah, you can see how easy is trading. If the project is not dead, they will um, they will really pump the price. Now let's look. This was a manipulation. Yeah, let me look. Wow, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. You can see. Maybe you understand this better if I draw for you here the negative trend line. Look, this is our negative trend line. Yeah, and you can see we test the higher levels, we test the lower levels, and we come to higher levels back. Yeah. So that means we are testing this negativity so much that the price have to pump to higher levels. Yeah, that means the higher level of this is, I have to look. Yes, the higher level of this is the next stage is this here, 006. Yeah, you can see if you invest here, there's no financial advice. If you invest here 10,000, then this is here coming to 10,000. Yeah, 10. 10x. Yeah, you get this information for free. So, and if you are landing here at these levels, then we have to test this so much here. Yeah, I would say from this point, a manipulation will start. They will press the price to the downside. Be careful here. It's not a good place because you can see we test this so much, not so much. Yeah, so you can see we test this only one time. So we need here a little bit time, a manipulation, sideways movement, and days of making no sense, formations and so on. And then one day after testing these levels here again, the price will fly. And I think if we are here coming in direction of 2025-24, then the price will come back to 50 cent levels, and then we have the typical left shoulder head, the right shoulder formation. And then I would say end target of this is here $1. Yeah, but this is too early. Yeah, this is only experience. What I say here at the moment, I see the price is hot. Yeah, I see the price higher, but we have to wait maybe the next weeks, that the price is pumped to these levels, and then we can say more. So we're looking here to the next, and then I would finish. So we looking here. So we're looking here to, let me look. So interesting. Yeah, I not know this, but we can look. I hope we get here enough data. Okay, so we see here YTK. Let me look. What is this? It's coming from. Yes, it is a hot crypto. Yeah, I would say has power to the upside. Yeah. Okay. Now I understand. Here is important that we can break the structure here. Yeah. I think the first move will come to these levels. If you see that the price is going to levels of 003, 004, 005, yeah, then it's time to invest. Yeah, it's also now invest. Yeah, it's not the problem. But if the price is going to 003, then we know exactly, okay, the price will pump. That means if we're going here to 003 and build here this hammer, then the price will go to 30 cent. Yeah. So let's make two more and then we will finish. So let me look. We'll use here Jasmine. I love this crypto. I also recommended this at 001. Yeah, it's a good opportunity. A typical behavior, a retest, and the price will fly to 002. Yeah, if you look here now, let me look what we have here. So if you look here to the structure, then you can see the price is manipulated very hard to the downside here. Yeah, but what the whales not tell you is that we have a structure that is going here like this. Yeah, why we know this? If you look here to the Bitcoin price, then you understand this. That means the price is not beginning here from 40 cent. The price is beginning from 50 and 60 cent. That means the uptrend is going from here. And that means the price in the bull market will reach higher levels in direction of 80 cent. Yeah. At the moment, you cannot see this, yeah, because this is too few data. No matter if I open this in another exchange, is the same, yeah. But the experience tell me if I look here exactly to these levels here, then we can recognize all the conditions are fulfilled, yeah, for a breakout. That means the price will fly. We need a little bit time, but this is good. So the last, and then I will finish. So let me look. Let's take a Gala and then we can finish. So very good. If I look to Gala, you can see that the Gala price testing some resistance. Yeah, one resistance is here. Yeah, you can see we test this one time, two time. This is the third time. Yeah, but the price is so manipulated that you not see this. In real, we're forming here interesting constellation here. Look here, the pattern. This is a typical left shoulder, hat, and right shoulder formation, and was our last retest. That means we have to go out of this channel. We will reach 0.008 cent levels and forming here our W pattern. That means the next point is here that we test this level here especially. Yeah. It depends how far the whales manipulate here. I think 0.008 is the next level. From this level, we have to look. I think a little bit place two levels of 12 cent is possible, but then I think the price will come back. Yeah, that means the price will come back to test these levels, especially the orange line here. Yeah, and from this level, a really big pump is coming. So I think the last retest here, and then the price will go here to 30 cent. Yeah. After that, they will make again a manipulation to the downside, and then we're forming here our pattern. That means after testing here 30 cent, the price will come back and the price will fly at 90 cent. If you're asking me the end target here, the end target is here much higher. Yeah. Not $1, much higher. If you want this, please make your membership Wolf price end target so that you get here the end targets here. The end targets are clear higher than $1. So I would say have a nice day. If you have questions, please write me, make a membership so that you can see what is your end target in your crypto, because you not know this. This is that. If you buy a crypto, then I think it is useful to know how far the crypto can go, because you can see we have a really good structure here at these levels, and it is obviously that we will test these levels here again. Yeah. So I would say have a nice day. See you later.